The next app, we call it Youku. Youku. You might want to guess what it is. So this is unlimited videos, unlimited movies, unlimited TV series, and if you can guess it right, this is equivalent to Netflix. So if you want to binge watch, and if you want to watch those movies, the local movies, and there's also international movies, you can watch it in this app. Alright, at the beginning of the video, we were talking about one app that we can't use in China, and which is YouTube. And the equivalent for YouTube here is, we call it Bilibili. Bilibili, Bilibili. So this is what we call Bilibili. So it's similar to YouTube. You can just type some keywords to find a video, and there you go. Instantly you can just watch the video. So this is a video streaming and a video sharing channel that you can explore, and you might find something interesting there. So take a look. However, while YouTube, if you have a VPN, you can still use YouTube. But of course, if you're in China, or if you want to plan to go to China, you might also want to explore what is there locally, and hope you enjoy. So the next app is one of the restricted apps equivalent in China as well, and the name is Xiaohongshu. So this name comes from small red book, or red little book. So this is the equivalent of Instagram. So Instagram, as what we know, Instagram is sharing those pictures, and also right now we have lives as well. So it's a little bit similar of how Instagram works. Just take a look. And don't worry, if you still like to use Instagram, of course, if you have a VPN, go for it. You can still use it. Alright, and the next app is, if you like to shop, especially online, what you can do is, if you haven't heard of this, is that you can look for the name called Taobao. Taobao. This is equivalent to Lazada. We have Shopee, we have eBay, we have Amazon. These are the equivalents of e-commerce sites. So this is what you can find in China. And of course, as we all know, there's a lot of manufacturers in China, which you can get better deals as well. Enjoy. Enjoy shopping. Of course, this is one of the important things. So if you might be driving in China, or you want to drive in China, or even just taking the cab, or sometimes if you want to just walk, just stretch those legs, you might need this app. And this app is Maps. And as we all know, Google is restricted. That means Google Maps is restricted if you don't have a VPN. So this is an alternative for you to use, and we call this Baidu Maps. You can use this as a substitute for Google Maps. The next one, we do have challenges when we're used to Google. So the number one function of Google is a search engine. So you might be asking, what is actually the alternative for a Google search engine? And that's a good question. So the next app or website is Baidu. You can just go to Baidu, and there's also an English version, so don't worry about it. You can just search anything that you want to search. All right, so far I hope this helps you. Well, with the pandemic and the new normal, we are very used to food delivery, and since there's a few, I'm just gonna give you one for now. And this is, maybe depends on where you are in the world. You might be using Uber Eats, or you might be using Grab Food, or maybe GoFood. It depends on where you are. But there's a lot of apps in the world, and delivery has been a very prominent business to have. So just in case you don't know what to eat, just in case you don't know where to go, the easiest way is just open your food delivery app and just order food, and you're good to go. So this app is called Learnmandarinchinese. It means in English, it means, are you hungry yet? Learnmand. Means hungry. Learnmand means already. Are you hungry already? So that's actually the meaning, and it's quite fascinating. So these are all the apps that I want to share with you today on this video, and I hope this has given you value. And please, if this video has given value to you, and please give us a like. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click that subscribe button. And of course, lastly, please do give us a comment on what you think about this video, and what else do you want to watch in the future. Let us know, and be sure for us to take those comments, and we'll create new videos just for you. All right, so thank you. 再见. See you on my next video.